Hi guys, so I want to talk about the difference between front-end and back-end today. As I see some juniors are struggling understanding this concept sometimes. So basically, in very short words, it's front-end is design, the look, how like what people see in short words, and backend is the like functionality, the connection between databases, like saving data, editing them, and so on. Like in the very beginning, you create basically two projects, one for backend, one for front end, and they don't have to be in the same place, and they don't have any connection at all with each other. So basically in front end part you create the website, and in general we are talking about website and web systems. In front end, as I said, we are creating our website, uploading our like template, for example, or generating them. We have theme, colors, page, and so on, but we don't add any database connection. Like all the database connections handled in the backend. So we are passing to the, like, for example, we created the user page, like profile page and so on. We put all the inputs and so on, but we don't add any data. We just focus on like pass to backend. And in there we are generating links basically, which is for example, when we do post to that link, it will save some data, or when we just request get request to that link, we'll get some data. It will the way how it works, it will show the JSON, or in simple words, the text. That's it. Like in when you open that page to get the data, basically, it will show only the text. That's it. And how it's connected with front end, at like later on, you just add functionality to the front end that will request to those links that we wrote on the back end, and for example, will post request to save some data that user already wrote. I mean, include the inputs in the profile page, for example. So all those data will be passing through request to the backend, and backend will save the data, and later on in with other functionality, it's requesting to get that data. Basically, this connection called APIs, REST API in simple words, because there is SOAP as well, but nowadays, like REST is more simpler and faster, so most of the people using that. So in general, yeah, it is the concept that how like most of the websites work. Like before, there wasn't such connection, because we didn't need it to separate backend and front end. We worked on the same project, but nowadays, as programs developed and get heavier, we needed to separate them. So right now it's working that way, basically. Okay, thanks a lot.